social media influencers now, which can really blur the lines between genuine news reporting and sensationalism. I myself experienced one. Just recently, I was covering a community event and found myself a blogger. It really made me think that we need to restore credibility in journalism. We need to remember that, unlike casual content creators, we need to stick to media ethics, ensure our facts are accurate, and maintain an objective point of view. Our credibility and the public's trust in journalism are at stake. As truth advocates, we face several challenges, but here is the good news. Just like bloggers, we can use digital platforms to spread factual information and reach a much wider audience. It's about using those tools responsibly. Plus, let us not forget about documenting community stories that highlights or showcase our strengths as Waraynons. It's all about creativity and unity. By setting high standards for ourselves, we can inspire not just your generation, but future generations too, to value integrity and truth. Together, I believe, we can make a meaningful impact, preserve our Filipino legacy, and inspire hope for the future of our nation.